Welcome, everybody. I'm Dan Gentry. Welcome to another episode of Third Power Life. Yesterday, I had the opportunity to do a presentation for a local BNI chapter, and it was actually a lot of fun. And I wanted to share it with you because the message is really, really powerful. And I have to say, this is the best audience response I've ever gotten. I want to give a huge shout out and thanks to Colt Gatzmeyer from Breaking Chains Personal Training, Matt Wilkerson from Verizon Wireless, Jason Richards from Landscaping Under the Sun, and Joey Anderson from Anderson Tree Care for giving me the best send-off ever. You have to wait till the end of this. It is hilarious. It is awesome. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and put you into the beginning of my presentation.
So, the big question is this: how are successful professionals like us going to keep increasing our business success and yet still have a full, balanced, and vibrant life that we absolutely love? That is the question, and this podcast will give you the answers. I'm Dan Gentry, and welcome to Third Power Life Podcast. If you would like to find out more about Dan Gentry and Third Power Performance, then go to www.thirdpowerperformance.com.
I'm here to talk to you about being better. Who wants to be better?
Me.
Right? And I've always said, your level of success is only limited by your amount of personal growth. Right? And there's a great quote I love by Jim Rohn that says, don't wish things were easier, wish you were better. Don't wish for more problems, wish for more skills. Don't wish for less challenge, wish for more wisdom. And that's what I want to impart today, is helping you become more. Say, I'm ready to be better.
I'm ready to
be better, baby. I'm ready to be better.
Yeah.
Well, come on, you guys can do better now. I'm ready to be better.
I'm ready to be better.
That's good. Are you feeling motivated?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's push it.
Now, motivation is very much like a sparkler. It's a lot of fun, but it doesn't last.
That's right.
Right? It fades. All right, Colt, how many people come to work out? They're excited the first day, and by the end of the week, they're going, I don't know if this is right for me.
This hurts.
It hurts. So what's going to make it happen? What's going to make it stick? It's your purpose. Purpose is power. Right? My boys, 9 years ago, they're a little bigger now. My son's about here. And that's why I do what I do, is because I have failed on that purpose in the past. My mission, and I've talked about it before, is cats in the cradle. When you coming home, Dad? I don't know when. I heard that way too much. And I don't want that song to be about anybody. That is my purpose. That is why I do what I do. It's because I've made the mistakes. I've been through the difficulties. And there's a great quote by Tolkien in a letter that he sent to a priest. He said, what punishments of God are gifts? Now, I wish with every bone in my body that I did not go through some of the difficulties that I have gone through. You know, I've been on top of the world. I've been, a director in $1 billion company, director of internet technologies. People knew who I was. And I've been there when that crashed and shattered. I've watched as a nasty divorce shredded my daughter's soul. Partly my fault. I deal with that. I deal with hiding my car from the repo man in the back field behind my mom's house because I couldn't pay yet. I've been there. And I don't want you guys to do that. I don't want you to have to go through that. I want to take and compress the decades of of success and the decades of failure and compress that down into days for you. That is what I bring. Is don't do what I have done. And you don't need to go through it. Now, there are going to be days when you have to go through stuff. It happens. But you don't have to make all the same mistakes I made. So I'm ready to be better. Are you ready to be better?
Yes.
Yes.
And that all comes from your life, what I call your life architecture. How are you designing your life? And it amazes me that in the world today, how many times do we see on Monday, it's Monday. You have a case of the Mondays? Thank God it's Friday, woohoo! We're here on Thursday, it's almost there. Have we really designed our life on purpose where we hate 5/7 of it? Really? We live for 2 days a week? That's no way to be. We have to design our lives. We have to architect it so that we really enjoy our lives. Yes, there are going to be always bad days. But in general, we love our life. And it's always going to be under construction. Right? Our architecture changes. And it may go slower than you want. But eventually it becomes a thing of beauty. Something to be, that's pretty cool. And that's what I want for you. Because I'm ready to be better. Are you ready to be better?
Yes.
Now it's going to be hard. I tried to find a picture of Robert Cole. That was as close as I could get. And very, very similar. Right? It's going to be hard, but let me tell you this clearly. Nothing good is ever easy. Period. Nothing good is ever easy. If it's easy, it's probably not the right path. It's an unfortunate, I would love for it to be easy, but you know what? It's not going to be easier. You have to be better. I love being able to use my own photography, my own pictures, my daughter. But most people spend more time planning their vacation than they do planning their whole lives. Remember the first time I heard that, I was at an Amway meeting, I was 18 years old, and I thought, nah, that's crazy. Here we are, a couple of decades later, okay, 3, and I found it to be painfully accurate. We spend more time planning where we're going to go for a week than we do planning where we're going to be for our entire lives. So don't do that. So are you ready to launch?
Yes.
All right. Do you know people that could help, that would be ready to launch? These are who I look for. I do individual coaching, looking for successful people that are married and have children. And for groups, I do talks like this for associations, for corporate training, for keynotes. That's what I'm looking for. Now, I have an event coming up on the 24th of September. And it's going to be architecting your life, designing your goals, your dreams, finding your purpose. And I need your help to get it out there. Everybody's got the flyer. Take it out, share it, get it out there. You know, it's $100. $100 for 3 hours to pull yourself and find, and don't plan a vacation. Plan your life. You're worth it. Go to newuocala.com and let's launch your lives. Thank you.
we're talking.
If you would like to find out more about Dan Gentry and Third Power Performance, then go to www.thirdpowerperformance.com.